This is a Scott's walk-behind lawnmower, and it's front-wheel drive and powered by a Tecumseh engine. And the problem with this mower is when you press down on the handles to lift the front end to turn the mower, the handles slip where it connects with the mower deck. You can see here, I'll press down on the handle, and the handle slips over this piece of metal on the deck that's supposed to be supporting the handle and keeping it from going down any further. And it doesn't matter how tight I tighten these wing nuts, it always slips. So what I'm going to do is pull these handles off and reinforce the mower deck. Okay, I've got the handles off, and now what I'm going to do is take a grinder and grind down this part of this where the handle attaches here. This support, this is what's supposed to be supporting the handle when you press down on it. I'm going to kind of grind this down, get a flat surface so that I can weld a new support onto this piece. Okay, so I got that ground down here, and I've done it to both sides, and I'm going to take a 1/8 inch piece of steel and weld it to the deck like this. I'm going to do that to both sides. Also, I removed the gas tank just in case, so there's no fire, and I do have a fire extinguisher just in case something like that does happen. Alright, so I've got that piece of metal attached, and I am now ready to weld it in place. Okay, so I got the pieces on. You can see them. I've got them cleaned up right here and right there. So I'm going to go ahead and reassemble the engine and put the handles back on and try it out. So here's the mower reassembled. Put the gas tank back on, reassembled the engine, put the handles back on. I did have to go back and grind this this metal piece here because this wing nut was hitting it. But everything is back together and everything is holding up good. So all I have left to do now is take these handles back off and spray some primer on that metal that I added, and I'm going to try and color match the paint, get it as close as I can. If you're new to welding like I am, this is a really good project. If you can do something like this, you'll learn a lot. Good experience. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks for watching.